Hey guys, hopefully everybody's doing well today. Just thought I'd give another example here. Everybody knows at this point in time that Comet is good for doing like cars with chalky paint residue on them. So yeah, that's that. And then there's another alternative you can use. Not saying it's going to be any cheaper, but you can use heavy citrus degreaser. This also works. I've poured this into a spray bottle and used it on my older Ford truck. I had a rust-free box from Texas, and it had like a beige paint on it that was really chalky, so I sprayed it down with just straight up orange cleaner here. And what you do is you get a hot pail of water and just like a sponge, and you can it'll just basically come off just like the Comet, but I just thought I'd give another example of that. And then after you do that, you can use one sec. So you can use like a straight carnauba wax. This isn't sponsored or nothing like that, but you can use any kind of wax. But yeah, just give the paint a cut and polish after that, and depending on the severity of the oxidization or the patina that's on the vehicle. But you know, if it was just a vehicle, it was the paint was just straight up, no rust on it, but just chalky, you could get away with just using either the citrus cleaner here or the Comet, and then give it like a cut and polish after that. You know, this here, I mean, obviously not used by many detailers and stuff like that, but you know, they got their own stuff for doing like proper jobs. But you know, if you're not into spending a whole lot of money on that kind of stuff, you can just get by with this type of stuff right here, and it'll do a pretty decent job. So alright, there's a lot of different other products you can use along with this stuff. You know, you got synthetic steel pads here. There's different variations of this stuff. You can use the basic green ones, which they do a decent job too, but depends how much money you want to spend. I don't think these are really a whole lot of money, but then you got your, you know, your SOS pads with the soap in them. They work great for steel and all that, and you can use them on the paint, like the chalky paint, I should say. You can use them for that. But with these on the paint, you might just depends on how much pressure you want to put on it. Like, I don't know if I would, maybe if there's like a little bit of rust on top of the paint, you could use that to help. But yeah, I just thought I'd gather all this stuff together here to show you some other alternatives. Some of the stuff's not so new. Everybody knows about, you know, half of this stuff already. So I just thought I'd do this video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and we'll check you later.